So what happened, everyone? Where's our pump? How you doing, everybody? Welcome to the live stream, everyone. Wow. So you're seeing on the screen right now. There's a lot to say about what we're possibly gonna experience in the next couple of days, and I like it. I mean, I think either many possibilities can happen, but that's what we're gonna be discussing just for a while today in the live stream. It was cool, just to experience, just to see another, I would say, launch from a well-recognized broker, Binance.us. So today, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna tell you what I think happened during this launch. And you guys, I want to hear from you. Honestly, I want to hear a lot from you. I've received a lot of questions during the last couple of videos, and I've been trying to answer most of your questions, guys. You're awesome. And as always, let me know how the audio is. Let me know how the video is. We'll stay here for a while and just having fun today. It's about AMP token and the launch within Binance.us. We had a conversation yesterday. We had a live stream yesterday. And today, well, it's today when Binance finally launched this cryptocurrency with Anchor as well. So what happened, right? That's what we're going to be discussing. So welcome everyone to the live stream. How you doing? Oh boy, what a day. What a day, everyone. How's it going, everyone? Welcome. We'll check my my YouTube before we start, as always. We'll stay here. Oh, there you go. Finally, YouTube stepping up and showing me my live stream pretty early. Sometimes I have to wait for a while, so that's great. Okay, I see my audio as well, so that's great. There you go, everyone. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for coming. We'll stay for a while. Not really not so many news to say about I'm token, but of course what's like the dark horse that today we're experiencing, of course, is the AMP token launch on Binance. A lot of the questions I received in the last couple of days were pretty much like, I want to buy a lot of AMP tokens because I'm expecting a launch. And what we discussed in the, this earlier this week was, I mean, you might be surprised. But here's the thing. Guys. It might take some days so we can see some action, right? We have Ryan, Alexander, and Goncalo. Welcome to the live stream, everyone. Thank you so much for stopping by. It might take some days. Let me tell you why. I was doing my research and kind of going back in my memory because I was there for the Coinbase launch as well, which we all know is this baby right here. Coinbase Pro was the first one that started trading AMP token back on it was June 10th. So right here, right? June or July, let me see. Oh yeah, June, yes, there you go, right here. Now you're seeing this. So this is Coinbase, right? So that was June. So June 10 was Coinbase Pro. And one important thing about the Coinbase launch that I found out pretty cool is that Coinbase said we're gonna launch on this day, but I was looking at AMP token already on Coinbase Pro many days earlier. So, which I believe, I mean, that's a good thing, right? But for us, this peak that you see here, that was the Coinbase exchange. This baby, the normal Coinbase, right? So I try to find the exact day when it was launched on Coinbase Exchange, not on Coinbase Pro, because this peak that you see right here, that is Coinbase Pro. Okay, this huge, massive hill, that's Coinbase Exchange, and today, something I haven't told you yet, that's precisely why I'm doing this live stream, just to give you a couple more updates for the Empire community and for the people who are buying cryptocurrencies as a whole, just to so you have better expectations. And I think one important thing about cryptocurrencies is to really lower your expectations, because even with stocks and options and whatever, expectations is what really crushes someone's life and someone's desire to continue moving. Like, you have to lower your expectations, and if it actually goes up, great, and you take the profits, right? We have Nail in the chat. Welcome, buddy. And David, how you doing, buddy? We're live. So yeah, it's pretty interesting, to be honest with you. But before we actually get started with all the details and all the juice, everyone, my name is Oscar Ramos. Thank you so much for watching. We talk about stocks, Roth IRA, and cryptocurrencies. And the purpose of this is for me to keep learning about all these beautiful digital assets that right now, lately in the channel, we'll be talking about cryptocurrencies, more specifically AMP token. But I talk about everything. And if you are one early beginner investor, that's my specialty. Beginner investors who have a lot of questions, right? You may have a lot of questions. Well, guess what? I probably am your guy, because I've been there, I'm still there, and I'm learning day by day, and I can help you reach so much. So please go ahead, like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells, everyone. Thank you very much. MR, what's up, buddy? How you doing? Welcome. So we'll stay. I'm gonna stay here for a while. Just wanna literally just have a conversation today based on what we're seeing, because of the following. Yeah, that's correct, Glass. How you doing, Glass? Welcome. Gemini was earlier. That was even much earlier than Coinbase Pro. In fact, I opened an account on Gemini at the beginning of the year 2021, and I remember seeing AMP token there back in the day. So yeah, you can totally tell that Gemini. But here's the thing, and I'm gonna tell you some more of the good juice stuff that I have ready for you later on. But it does make sense that we didn't have a pump right now. Let me just tell you that. There you go. So I think the questions are like, what's gonna happen with the price? Are we gonna come up? Are we gonna actually come down? Right? Those fair questions. But let me just say this: if we keep coming back down, that means one thing: people are selling. And that probably was something that some investors took the advantage of. Like, they knew that Binance or Binance.us wasn't gonna really pump so hard, and they took this opportunity to sell right now because they knew it was gonna come down. Many different strategies, but here's the main deal. Now that you're watching, guys, 30 plus people, you come here to CoinMarketCap, and this is something I think I found very interesting. 30 place AMP token. I click here, and I was kind of looking around, and I come to the AMP markets, right? You can totally see that on the screen. AMP markets. And who's the number one, everyone? Coinbase Exchange. A. Lee from UK. What's up, buddy? Welcome. So Coinbase Exchange, it's the number one, and the volume that it has in dollars and in percentage is 65 million and 67%. You understand that? Just pretty cool. But take a look at this. Binance just today launched, right? It's not that people didn't know. It's been announced already, so we already have some time. So people already are making trades and stuff. Even I'm gonna refresh this page, and now you can tell that the percentage volume as of today, it hasn't been even 24 hours, but you do have an idea based on what's happening right now. 2.26%. So what does that mean, everyone? Just compare it to Gemini's 12%. Gemini's, as one of you was saying right now, it was earlier than Coinbase Pro, of course. It was one of the first ones. That means, guys, that if Coinbase.exchange with 67% pool the price of AMP token to the all-time high of 12 cents, then Binance right here with 2.26%, let's say it goes to 3, 4, 5% volume in 1 month from now, right? How much would it push it? Well, I don't think that much. You hear what I'm saying, everyone. What I'm saying is this, and this is something, if you go back to the live stream yesterday that we had, and I'm having this live stream, so if there's some people with questions with the from the I'm talking community, I think this is a great thing for me specifically, especially for me to learn, right? Looking at the volume, and yesterday I was even mentioning in the video about the video I made about Binance.us, how the volume transaction in Binance.us wasn't even close to Coinbase Exchange, and I can totally see it right here. And if I even go, guys, to my community questions where I ask you guys, like, what crypto broker you use? What crypto broker do you use? And out of 1,000 people, I got 73% using Coinbase and only 6% using Binance. And I'm talking about Binance in general, right? So, hey, Henry, welcome to the chat, buddy. So no one really uses Binance US. Well, I wouldn't say no one, but I will say not a significant amount for the price of AMP token to move upwards a lot. There it is. Pen drop. That's it. I think that's the golden nugget you can take back to your investing strategy HQ. That's what it is. And I'm happy that I was able to come up with that. It's not really difficult to understand, but once you see the numbers, everyone, it's all about the volume, right? Remember that AMP token gets its value and its purpose from usability. The more AMP token it's being required to collateralize digital payments, the more AMP token will grow. Fantastic, that's great. But when we have this type of launches, based on what the community is saying right now, Coinbase being number one, based on what CoinMarketCap is saying, which is Coinbase Exchange number one, from now on, there's really no other crypto broker that is going to affect the price of AMP token, which means that from now on, AMP token will rise in price either because of these reasons. One, because of Bitcoin rising in price and the bull run in altcoins. Or two, because AMP token is like Flexa, the company is partnering with huge companies like Amazon. And that's what it got us our previous all-time high, which we discussed earlier this week at 9 cents. You see this point right here? I'm gonna zoom in right here. So keep this in mind, everyone. I'm giving you some mental, toughness and some good insights. We just saw Binance.us not even moving AMP token, right? Plus, we haven't even seen a week with Binance.us. But by looking at my own analytics right here, and then by looking at what CoinMarketCap is saying right here, and by looking at the information I gave you yesterday and yesterday's live stream, you guys remember, then, it's fine. There may not be a pump. Don, welcome, buddy. I bet that mostly because of the states that don't allow crypto trading, as well, like New York, can even get into Voyager either. Take a look at that. So it's good. Like, I think it's good findings for me, at least, right? And I want to share it with you, everyone. It's pretty cool. So now that we know that there's no really other crypto broker out there that I know of, right? Maybe you know another one, but by looking at the statistics right here, this is what people use. Coinbase. Coinbase is what's really, Coinbase is what's really leading the pack. And Gemini is the runner-up, because if I even go to my analysis, Gemini, I use Gemini. I really like Gemini a lot, and there's not really a second competitor to Coinbase. So there you have it. there you have it, everyone. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. What do you guys think? There you go. What a good one. Please go ahead, like, subscribe to the channel, everyone. Go ahead and support this community. We're trying to reach more people so they know how to invest properly. So it's refreshing for me, because guess what's gonna happen if we continue with this trend, everyone? The price of I'm token may dump, may continue going down, decreasing, and that's when I'm gonna attack it, right? That's when I'm gonna attack it. Like, I've been very open in all these different strategies to buy or sell I'm token, and at this point, since I know it seems that the Binance launch is not gonna do really much well, I'm waiting, because to me, and based on how this shape looks like, to me, guys, it seems that it's gonna come under 7 cents. What do you guys think? Hey, Jazz, thank you so much for the super chat. I appreciate it a lot, my man. Or female, I don't know. Kind of weird name, but thank you so very much. Let me go ahead and read. Just got here. How low will we go? Well, to answer your question, I think my price entry is 5 cents, and I'm even much greedy to say 4 cents. But by looking at this right now, I'm gonna go ahead. Thank you so much for the support. Appreciate it a lot. We'll go ahead and find our support, which could be let's see, could be somewhere here. That's today. They gotta pass through this one. Mid 6 cents. That's what it is. Mid 6 cents. Here's the 9 cents that we reached with the Amazon rumors. That was something huge. Like, whenever Amazon or a company like Walmart or any such huge company wants to partner with Flexa Network, AM token will rise, baby. And we just saw it right here, okay? I expect the price of AM token to probably continue dipping. If I go to the year to date, everyone, and this is something I always mention when I'm doing price analysis, the RSI and the MACD. So the RSI is already very close, already reached, in the year to date view, the upper band. Okay, overbought. So right now could be coming down if there are no more news, really. And we now saw, that Binance.us may not, do the biggest change based on what I just said earlier. And the Amazon rumors are already, out. So at this point with this cryptocurrency, with AM token, well, I'll say either we're going to get into a nice consolidation price of anywhere to 7 to, like a range from 7 to 5 cents. And we're going to just stay there for a while. If Bitcoin doesn't go below 35,000, I don't see AM token going below 4 cents. Hope that makes sense, everyone. Aopo Chile, very bullish in AMP. That's true. Very bullish in AMP for the long haul. But it's great that Binance.us already accepted. I think at this point, and that's something a couple of my viewers were saying in some of my videos, now it's the turn for AMP, for Binance. Not Binance US, but Binance, just the normal one. But because it's already here on Binance.us, you can see it right here. They show it to you. Something weird that I found right now is that if you're trying to buy a cryptocurrency, look, let me go ahead and scroll down. You can't find AM token right now here. Dogecoin is even here, but when I'm trying to do AMP, it's not here. So that's weird. That's kind of weird. They still don't have it on the website. They may have it on the mobile application. I don't know, but it's not here. So once Binance, because I don't even know. I mean, Binance should have I'm token, I'm sure, right? I mean, I don't know. I mean, haven't researched that one, but Binance should have I'm token here. AMP favorites. Well, I'll have to take a look at that one. If you guys know it, just let me know. But once we get to that AMP token on Binance, the huge one, the main company, if it is already there, well, I don't think so, because we will see it here, right? We will see it here, and it's not here. So it wouldn't say Binance.us. It would just say Binance or Binance, you know, that's it. So, I mean, according to CoinMarketCap, it's not here yet. So there you have it, everyone. Ryan, what's up, buddy? I use different platforms for different coins. I like Gemini a lot for AMP. Yeah, me too, buddy. Me too. That's what I've been using for a while. I like it. It's super safe. I mean, safety for my AMP token and for any of the cryptocurrency is the most important thing for me. So I'm all for that. Absolutely, everyone. Absolutely. So yes, when it comes to Binance.us, 2.26%, guys, it's not gonna make it. It's not gonna cut it. Like, having more than 60%, or let's say 50% back when it was released, not 67, but let's say 50% right now, guys. Absolutely. Absolutely. I'll just have to wait until the rest of the week to see how really AMP token performs. I will love it for it to continue growing just by, you know, just letting it go without any type of news. But it's just good stuff. I like it. I like it. Plus, I wasn't prepared for this one, but I remember just right now that AMP posted something on Twitter. Let me see. Where are you? Where are you? I remember Bitrex. Was it Bitrex? Well, I have to check it out because income payments. Yes, that's the name. Income payments. Oh, here it is. Because I remember something they posted about AMP. Here it is. Okay, yeah, that's okay, yeah, that was back in the day. I felt they posted something earlier this week. Okay, old news, not a problem. Old news. No Binance pump. Seems like that. John 316, what's up, buddy? Welcome to the chat. Give it time, baby. Absolutely, Juan. Absolutely. We're excited for those awesome pumps, right? Excited. But yeah, absolutely, guys. We'll just have to give it time. Absolutely. Yeah, I think you're right. Something about Walmart and income partner. Yeah, I've heard something like that. I'll have to do a little bit more research on that one, and I'll let you guys know. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty cool. And honestly, I'm thrilled because I'm gonna get paid super soon, right? Like the beginning of the new month. Maybe you guys do. And I'll have my stash ready, reserved on the side for more AMP token, because it does seem like we could be coming back down. And that's exactly what I'm looking for right now. Because I do want to increase my portfolio. Today I ask you guys, here's the question of the day. I ask you, how many AMP tokens would you like to own? And most of you guys said from 1,000 to 100,000 AMP tokens, which that's pretty awesome. That's actually the range I want to belong to. So pretty cool. That's the range. There's some 6% who said that AMP token is trash. Who are they? Who are they? Also, guys, so for you guys who are watching, 60 plus people, earlier today I was watching Bitboy Crypto. I was just super early, super early, and just yesterday midnight, as I was going back to bed, um, like I was just really closing my eyes and stuff, and I saw a post that he was banned from YouTube, and eventually he was. I tried to find him, and he wasn't available. And but then overnight, I mean, YouTube fixed the issue, and he was back on. So earlier today, he had a live. I mean, his first live stream addressing that, right? And I mean, yeah, I mean, nothing really negative about his channel or so. I mean, it's awesome, but it's kind of weird, right? You're trying to build your community. Um, I mean, the community that takes so much effort and hard work on YouTube, and for someone just to come and ban you just all of a sudden. I mean, I wouldn't want it to happen for us, to me, guys. Like, no, really. It just takes so much effort and passion, because this is passion. I'm not here. I mean, what YouTube pays me is it's just minimum, because I believe in what we're trying to do with stocks, Roth IRA, and cryptocurrency. I think we're very early, even though a lot of people already know about crypto. But when I say a lot of people know about crypto, it's because you and I, like, we are the weird ones, guys. You go outside your door, your house, you say, hey, do you know about Bitcoin? And they will be like, ew, no, the media has told me that sucks. Like, most people have no idea what that is, and most people don't even know how to buy it, or don't even know the real details. You and I are the weirdest nerds that spend most of our time looking and watching people talk about crypto, right? So yeah, I mean, that's pretty cool. Steven Spencer, no pump. What's up, buddy? Welcome. Like and subscribe. Come on. I'll be awesome, guys. Glass, hey Glass, welcome. The good thing about AMP is that because it is utility token, its fundamentals that fill a void. Its evaluation that's tied to human beings, Flexa team can actually control. Glass, I agree with you. That makes a lot of sense. Yeah, absolutely. It's utility driven, and that's the reason why we honestly adore the project. That's what it is. And I'm gonna segue to what I was saying about Bitboy Crypto, because I think you will like it. He said, because there was a question about AMP token, he bought 1 million Cardano, and he admitted that was his best investment because he's making like a lot of money with Cardano. But he said he bought $100,000 of AMP token, and I'm like, wow, $100,000 of AMP token. I mean, we saw yesterday when I explained you with the Excel. That is, let me actually go. Well, that is like $7,000 or so. No. What am I saying? No. What am I saying? That's $100,000 of investment. Yes, $100,000 of investing. So that is insane. So it's $100,000 of investing. So yeah, that's getting him approximately. Well, it's yeah, I don't have it connected, but that's getting him approximately 1.3, 1.4 million AMP tokens. That is amazing. 1.4 million AMP tokens. That is something delicious. Yeah, he said that in his stream. I was there watching him, and this is what he said. And you can go back and check at the. I mean, I'm telling you the truth. I'm not lying to you. He said like he was waiting for it to have at least from $300,000 to $400,000 in profit. That's what he said. So I'm bringing you all this awesome insights so you guys make better decisions with your money, with your investments, and in this case with I'm Token, right? Look at me. I also want to make money when I'm talking, but there's your neighbor next door thinking about making $300,000-$4,000 when I'm talking, which that means that he sees that the price of my token can reach a neighborhood of 20 to 25 cents. You see that? You see that? And my prediction is like what 17 cents, 15 to 20 cents. So I think we're looking golden, everyone. We're looking golden. Absolutely. Hey, Jose, what's up, buddy? Welcome. Puerto Rico, there you go. Whoa. Yeah, I know, buddy. I know. Steven, 31,000. Kudos to you, my man. That's awesome. That's awesome. Ascending triangle on the fourth. Absolutely, Glass, no worries. Anyways, Lord, thanks, Oscar, for holding it down. Appreciate you representing and helping people. Absolutely. Yeah, I just want to give you my insight so you guys understand, that this is a long-term game. But, I mean, I have a penny compared to what other people have in AM Token. I really like the project and its utility. But you can see, right, how these awesome influencers like BitBoy Crypto, tell you during Q&As, $100,000 worth of AM token, 1 million. He said 1 million. I don't know if he said 1 million tokens or $1 million. I don't even know. I forgot if it was dollars or millions, but it's a lot of money. It's a lot. And to get there, everyone, to get there, you got to start little by little. That's when you start. And you put some money aside. You find investments like Anchor, like AM Token, like Cardano, like, good investments, guys, that you can afford. You start little by little. And that's it. That's the key. That's the key. And plus, you have, I think when it comes to Algorand, Cardano, AM Token, you also want to stake. You want to stake. Let me actually see what the capacity right now, because yesterday we were looking at 1.8. Don't tell me it's 2 now. Okay, there you go. It's less. It's less now. Money is decreasing, or the capacity is decreasing. So it does fluctuate with the change in price. Beautiful. I do also have some questions in my videos about how to connect or how to stake. I have a video ready for you guys. You go to my videos and you'll find it there. It's basic, it's easy, not really that difficult, everyone. For the new people who are joining and want to know exactly what happened with the pump, well, guys, to make it simple, 68% you're seeing right now. That's the trading volume and the trading amount in dollars. When a Coinbase reached the peak, well, you can totally see that people are telling me right now, okay, that I already show you right here, that they use Coinbase. 73% of them, guys, use Coinbase, and that's what happened. And based on CoinMarketCap, 68%, everyone. So compare 68% to 2.2 or 3% of Binance.us. That means that the news of Binance.us coming to the market or opening the doors for AM Token, it's really not doing much. But as always, that's not going to stop us. Basically, that's not gonna stop us. Chris, 230,000 and staking. Chris, Lord, hey Chris. Do you mind sharing how many AM token you're getting per day by staking? I'd like to know that, actually. Chris C. Because you're getting rewards by day, right? Tell me how many you're getting. That'll be awesome. That'll be good for the community to know as well. They have to put AMP on Binance International. Yes, I agree. Once they do that, we're probably gonna see a tie between Coinbase and Binance. And once they do that, guys, because Binance.us, it's a great start. But once we hear Binance accepting AM Token, help me, please. Lord, help me. Get ready for the next pump. And I'm just being honest. Like, we just saw what happened with Coinbase. I mean, what is gonna happen, everyone? Chris, I believe it's 5K each year. That's on right. Okay. Okay. It's 4%. Holding 600,000 at 5. Oh, that's great. DCA, Harry, that's awesome. Welcome to the chat. What's a good exit? How about 15 cents? But you just have to hold it with the team. You have to hold it with the Ampere, Harry. That's what I'm doing. Look, you have like 6 times more AMP token than I have, Harry, and I'm holding. So like I just mentioned the example of Bitboy Crypto earlier today. He has more than 1.3 AMP tokens in his wallet, and he wants to have at least 300 to 400,000 profit from AMP token alone, which means that he's gonna be waiting a long time. And I mean, you don't put, what is that, like more than close to $100,000 in a project that you think is gonna fail, right? You put $100,000 in a project that you are sure that it's gonna do well, and hey, it's all coming from the man himself, Bitboy Crypto. So for me, now that I have a little bit more solidified portfolio in the areas that I wanted to solidify, I'm gonna go hard this coming. Once when I get my paycheck, everyone. Once when I get my paycheck, guys. Oh boy. You're gonna see your boy ready and Freddy to start dropping the big bucks, everyone. Oh yes. I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna do a live and tell you exactly what I bought, but I know it's gonna be AMP token, it's gonna be Ethereum, it's gonna be Polygon, it's gonna be more Algorand, it's gonna be more Cardano. So this coming paycheck, guys, I'm gonna go hard on cryptocurrency, just letting you know. Hard. So I'm planning to do that, but for that, I'm gonna wait a little bit for them so they're red, right? Like you see the RSI right now here. If you're asking me right now, when is a good time to buy? Here, not here. You understand that? Not here. Here is when people are talking about it, people are excited for it, as we are right now. But here and here is when everyone is hating and poking. It's when your neighbor next door is saying, why do you recommend me buy this garbage of cryptocurrency? Just stay with Bitcoin. That's exactly what I'm saying, guys. Okay, you understand that? That's what I'm saying. Wood 69, Diamond Hands. There you go, buddy. Welcome to everybody who is joining the chat. You know the drill, guys. It's Oscar Ramos talking about stocks, Roth.io, cryptocurrencies. Please go ahead, give us a like, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. That's the best way to help the channel, and consider, of course, turning on those notification bells so YouTube will tell you exactly when we're posting a video or doing a live stream. Just having a good time and talking with you, everyone. Thank you very much. Hype the like. There you go, Wood. Awesome. Lambo win. Hey, when Lambo, right? And by looking again at my statistics that I have with you guys, dude, you are unbelievable. I'm gonna go ahead and refresh this so we see the latest stuff. You know, a lot of people have 100,000 or less AMP tokens, 38%. You guys want to have as many as possible. How about the 6% who think that AMP token is trash, guys? What should we do to those 6%? And then we have almost 2,000 votes for the realistic price. That's amazing. And honestly, it's a neck and neck, 11 to 15 cents and 51 cents to $1. That's amazing, everyone. Good job. Good job. Hey, Oscar. Hey, Tokayo, what's up, buddy? Hi, Oscar. Why is gas too expensive to stake? I'm putting all my cards on NAM, 100 grand. There you go, Oscar. That's great. Well, it's expensive because that's what Ethereum gas are like. I know if you want to have the cheaper rates, you come to Capacity and you connect your wallet on MetaMask. That's what I've heard is the cheapest. Coinbase is a little bit more expensive, and I cannot tell you on these ones. I don't know. But I believe one of these Ledger. I know people also do it from Ledger. I don't know those ones, to be honest with you. I only know these two. And from what I've heard, MetaMask is cheaper and Coinbase is a little bit more expensive because it's Coinbase, right? They always want a bigger cut, and that's what it is. Hey Jan, what's up? Welcome. Should we go away from AMP into Bitcoin or anything since it didn't pump? Jan, absolutely is your choice. That's the best thing I can tell you because I'm not a financial advisor and this is only for entertainment purposes only. You do whatever is best for you and for your money. That being said and put aside, I'm not gonna go anywhere. I'm not going anywhere but here on AMP talking. I mean, the reason it didn't pump, like I said, is because I explained right now, it's not the same as Coinbase. Exchange has not the same power. Binance, on the other hand, the main Binance International, that's gonna be so excited to see, guys. Like and I think it's good. I mean, because there's a difference, right? There's a big difference. CoinMarketCap says it best. Binance.us right now 2.28% and Coinbase 68. Like, you cannot really compare any other exchange to Coinbase right now. That's the way it is. But yeah, staying here diamond hands. That's why we coined the phrase diamond hands grabbing, because I'm staying here, right, for the long ride. No matter if it actually continues dipping. That's the way it is. Scott, you get big payouts. Let's go and AMP big buy. There you go. I know, right? Scam dog, of course, eat and pump maybe when the international hits. Yep. And it's great that the community is, knows this, right? Like, yeah, makes sense. Like, but what if, we would have seen a pump. Oh, that's another narrative, right? But it wasn't. That's totally fine. Not a problem. We liked it. But like I said, there's always a chance that it could take a little bit longer. But based on the numbers, it's just not there. So we may not see anything, but just stayed under 9 cents, right? And I'm happy because that's the same mentality I had yesterday, saying based on the numbers. Like, the numbers don't lie. You cannot just say, oh, there's just a new launch for, I'm talking on an X or like Uniswap or so, or 10X. You have to see like how many people are buying on that broker, if it is reliable for the community, and so that's what it is. And I mean, it's cool. For example, guys, just to give you a crazy example, if and just if Robinhood, probably some of you who are still into stocks. I love stocks. Today, Robinhood IPO, initial public offering. Right now, Robinhood is a public company, which means that they're gonna have more money, which means that it's gonna continue growing a lot, which means etc. Right? If that is the catalyst for Robinhood to start creating their own wallet, and it is just pure speculation, but it could be fun, right? If Robinhood's IPO today is the beginning of Robinhood crypto wallet and Robinhood crypto ecosystem, just wait until they add AMP token. Oh my lord. That is going to be the next one, the next big hype for AMP token. Had to say it, but that's what it is. That's just true, guys. So I'm very happy that Robinhood IPO today, because that's just gonna help more cryptocurrencies probably go to their system. Or what they could do, because I know Robinhood is not gonna ignore cryptocurrencies. Robinhood is not gonna ignore the cryptocurrencies, guys. I'm telling you right now. Robinhood is, as a public company, your responsibility is to make money for the shareholders, right? So they know cryptocurrencies are the great way to make a lot of money based on transaction fees or whatever. So, and I'm sure they have studied Coinbase a lot and Gemini. So I think they have to create a crypto broker. They have to create a crypto broker. Just imagine how much money did Dogecoin bring to the table for Robinhood? Just think about it. Dogecoin really made Robinhood popular. What do you guys think? Like, in my opinion, a lot of people came to Robinhood because of Dogecoin. Period. Easy. So can Robinhood shake it off and say, okay, we're only gonna adopt the good, reliable cryptocurrency, starting with Cardano, started with, let's say, of course, who else, like Polygon, stay with Algorand, Chainlink, and then AMP token. Shut up, everyone, shut up. At that point, yes, I think that's a moon territory opportunity. But Binance.us, it seems like it's not gonna be that. You understand that, guys? So Binance International and Robinhood, those are the two. Those are the two that are pending. That's it. Oh, and Webull. I haven't even talked about Webull. So Webull, Robinhood, Binance International. There you have it. There you have it. Ah. Nice. We got a lot more people. Welcome, welcome, guys. Please go ahead, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed, and turn on those notification bells to support the channel. Thank you very much, guys. You are the best, and I hope that you're having an amazing Thursday evening. Please, hope you're having an amazing Thursday evening. I own 364,000 tokens and holding until we land on the moon. That's the spirit. MH, does that mean? Doge got young people into crypto. Chris, you're right. You're right, Chris. But that same people are, most of them, like a lot of them I know, turn to AMP token like this, very quickly. So, hey Kev, what's up, buddy? So yeah, I mean, I just said, like, if you didn't hear my small prediction speculation, I basically said about Webull and Robinhood at Binance.International. The current Binance.US launch that we experienced earlier today, that didn't move the price of AMP token, that we're still seeing the price of AMP token at mid 7 cents. That's okay, because doesn't have the weight as Coinbase Exchange, right? Not even close into Gemini at 11. It has a weight of 2.28%, right? So it's not really much. It's fine. The only ones that are just outstanding, and they may take longer. I don't see Robinhood happening anytime soon. We will have to hear for more news on their front. But because Robinhood already IPO today, I predict that they're gonna start embracing more cryptocurrencies. I predict that because Robinhood knows that the young people are buying cryptocurrencies, and they're not dumb people. I guarantee you that. They're Robinhood and Webull. They are very smart people who want to make more money, and they know us, and they know that Coinbase and Gemini are taking most of the pie, especially Coinbase, and they want to get in. And Robinhood right now accepting, let me just show you. Robinhood, if you go to the account and you go crypto, they only have this. Like, that's not enough. That's not enough, guys. Bitcoin SV, I don't even know what Bitcoin SV is. Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Litecoin, Ethereum Classic, and Ethereum. Guys, that is not sexy. That is not attractive. It's not. The only thing that people were buying was Dogecoin, and well, we all know the story. I don't have to go there. So that's what I think, everyone. What do you guys think with those predictions? I think they make sense, to be honest with you. I think they make sense. Any predictions for AMP token? Absolutely. By the end of the year, saying about 15 to 20 cents. But I'm happy that we still got some room to grow. for the year, because we got August, September, October, November, December. We just got 5 months, just 5 months, and that's it. So everything that I'm saying right now that you're listening to me, guys, is my predictions based on what I've seen before. I'm not saying anything out of this world. I'm just trying to be conservative and down to earth. So since I see all that potential, this project merits to hold it for me. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. For me, it makes sense just to hold it at least a couple of years and see the great community come and just enjoy the ride and see people learn the good investing that people should learn. Okay, I think that's very important, because with Dogecoin, I don't consider that good practice investing, right? It's YOLO investing, is meme investing, and it works if you time it right. But 99% of the people lose money due to that, right? So what I'm talking is just hold it. Utility will do its thing. We got the Flexa capacity moving. Look, it was 1.6, now it's 1.7. So it's growing. People are understanding that it's gonna take some time, that it won't be so easily. Yeah, guys. It's just exciting and very powerful what my money can turn into very soon, and I want that for me. I don't know you, but I want that for me, because I've been saying this for a long time. Like, I've been late for so many things in my life. I was late on Cardano because I thought it was a scam. I was late on Dogecoin even because I was super scared. I was late on many things, and I was late because I was early at being aware of them. I was aware of many of them. I was aware of so many of them, but I was skeptical, which helped me in a way not lose money. But now that I'm a little bit more mature, I want to make money, and I want to be out of that comfort zone of saying no, and I want to go in and destroy it, right? You guys understand? So yeah. Woof. Fire, everyone. Loving it. Checking the chat. T Logic, many people can hate on Doge, but that one crypto brought us a lot of new people to crypto. Now it's time to educate and grow. And let's go to the moon. T Logic, I agree with you. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. Yeah, I mean, I think that's okay. What Dogecoin did was bring in a lot of very, young people and some very mature ones to looking at investing very differently, and that's pretty cool. When it's a good time to invest in AMP? When you see the RSI dying, and when you see a bunch of red candlesticks, and when you go to the AMP token Facebook group or a Reddit group and people are bashing and trashing AMP, there's the best time to buy AMP. Not right now. Right now is not the best time to buy, in my non-financial advice presentation or opinion. There you go, opinion. A glass. I think an important point is that at this point, exchanges don't matter. Walmart, Amazon, and eventually international business accepting Flexa does. I see your point. Yes, I think the both matter, because without the exchanges, you cannot increase much more the volume, right? So I think it does matter, but of course, helping Flexa, it's the most important thing right now. It's helping Flexa collateralize more transactions. That's what is making AMP token more valuable, and the utility continues exploding. That's what matters. I absolutely agree. Which has always been obvious, but hopefully that today show people get excited about partnership, not exchanges. Okay. I call the local Whole Foods there and talking crypto. Yeah, I know, and they have Flex as well. I know what you're saying. So yeah, I mean, fantastic stuff, everyone, that we just discussed right now. Wanted to give you those updates. Wanted to tell you about this ones because it's pretty cool. That I just love listening and hearing, what what the latest trends are. And now I know that, of course, we're not waiting for the latest exchanges to pop. I'm talking, even though there's some good, promising ones, like I said, Binance International, maybe in the future, Robinhood and Webull, that'll be amazing. Because when Webull and Robinhood launch Dogecoin, well, when Dogecoin already launched, when Robinhood launched Dogecoin back in the early days, right? But when Webull launched Dogecoin, we did see a spike. So that does help to continue, increasing the price. But in the end, just cool and excited to see how things are gonna be turning on for the future. Couple of updates I also wanted to tell you, everyone. I'm working for the live stream. I'm for you guys because I appreciate all you guys' support, and I wanna I'll say locate those fans or the people who want to even go the extra mile supporting. I want to give you guys shout outs and keep thanking you for all your support. I'm launching very, very soon the memberships here on YouTube. So when you go, for example, to my page on YouTube right here, you go to home. Well, you will see that you are subscribed if you are, right? But right here next to this button, you will see a join square, right? So once you click it, you will be able to join my membership. I'm still working on it. I'm working on the emojis, on the badges, but it's gonna come pretty soon. And yes, I do have an I'm talking emoji that you guys can use on the live stream, so you can join if you want as well. And that will be another way for you to support the channel, support what we're doing, continue in the community. And I want to recognize your awesome support by watching and by just going the extra mile. So I'm working on that. It's coming pretty soon, and I just wanted to say thank you for that, guys. Can you make a 4-hour analysis for RAM? Hey, Oscar, absolutely. Well, we'll do it in the next live stream. Absolutely. I have to use the restroom really quick. So what is the future of cryptocurrencies? TL Logic, AMP, Cardano, Algorand, Few. Love these projects. Absolutely. I totally agree. I tried public supermarket. Same. There you go. What is the future of cryptocurrencies? Cryptocurrencies are the future. There you go. There you go. I think that's what sums it up the most. Absolutely. Absolutely, everyone. So here's your 1-day analysis right now, guys, just to give you the latest updates. And I'm talking in the last couple of hours, it's been coming down from the 8 cents we had. That was just our little, I'm gonna point it out right here. This, what you see right now, that's our nice and delicious Binance.us news. That's it. That's the top we reached when Binance was announced, when we were talking about Binance, when it was, chatting up and talking about it here in the community. That's it, 8 cents. Ever since, we haven't gone past that. We haven't gone past that. Here it is. This is Binance, guys. .us. Okay? That's it. So if we continue dropping, get ready. I'm ready because in a couple of days I'm getting more money and I'm ready to boom start deploying some good grenades for to the cryptocurrencies. Absolutely. So that's what it is. We stay at 7 cents, 6 cents. That's perfect. And I think August is going to be a cool month for cryptocurrencies. I'm gonna go ahead and show you right here when I go back to the coin market at this time. The crypto market is 1.57 trillion. We're coming up. That's great. Bitcoin is at almost 40,000. So we're looking pretty nice, guys. There's not really much to worry about cryptocurrencies at this point. We're making this happen. Absolutely making this happen. Anyhow, guys, Oh, that's what I wanted to tell you and all about the Binance.us pump, not pump. It may seem that we're not gonna see anything tonight. I'm gonna wait till the end of the month to actually make my final evaluation of this launch. But in the end, it's just more learning for me, and a way for me to tell you guys more insights. I want to thank you guys for showing up. That's amazing stuff. No pump, no problem. As you say something for your mind, we just got to continue holding and buying the dips. That's the idea. But anyhow, guys, you have an amazing and wonderful Thursday. Please go ahead and like the live, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, to support the channel and the cause will continue moving up. And like I said, I'm adding memberships very soon in the channel. If you want to buy some merchandise and support as well, there's a link in the description down below. All is there for you guys. You also want to make some money tonight and today for stocks and cryptocurrencies. But other than that, guys, you guys have an amazing Thursday. I'm gonna give a shout out to the podcast channel. I think they're gonna start a live pretty soon, so you might want to go over there and continue learning about AMP token. So check them out as well. They're pretty cool people, always very smart people, continuing to talk about AMP token. So if you want to learn more about that, you will have another live for the rest of the night. But I'll hopefully see you tomorrow with an awesome video, and just keeping it up because this baby is barely starting. All right, guys, you take care. I want to wish you an amazing Thursday, and keep it up, guys. We'll see you guys next time. Peace, everyone. Take care, guys. Appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys.